There is no such thing in international law such as a right to abortion. This is a concept that is completely fabricated by abortion advocates and their supporters in transnational organizations such as the United Nations. Just to clarify, international law basically has two sources. One is treaties, and the other one is what is called customary international law. There is no treaty law obligation with respect to abortion. In fact, some of the major human rights treaties actually protect unborn life. For example, there is the American Convention on Human Rights, or also known as the Pact of San Jose. That actually protects the right to life from conception. These are words that are in the treaties. Another major treaty, very important treaty, is the International Covenant of Civil and Political Rights. And that also protects the right to life. And it's very interesting. Then it goes on to talk about the death penalty. The International Covenant of Civil and Political Rights actually permits the death penalty in countries where the death penalty exists, but it has two exceptions. The death penalty cannot be applied to minors, minor children, and also it cannot be applied to pregnant women. A woman who's not pregnant and is not a minor could have the death penalty applied, but never a pregnant woman. So whose life interest is being protected there? Well, that's the unborn child. The Convention on the Rights of the Child also mentions in the preamble that children need special protection before and after birth. So there certainly is no treaty law right to abortion, even though the abortion advocates sometimes claim that there is. And that's, you can see, it's really the manipulation of language to take something that is clear, such as protection from conception, and twist it into its opposite. It's really this spirit of relativism, this attack upon the truth as well as upon unborn life. In customary international law, there's no generally accepted practice, which is what customary international law is with respect to abortion. In fact, the very fact that it's controversial and that there is a dispute over it shows that there is no custom in this regard. So basically, if, as often happens, groups claim that there's a right to abortion, it's important that people say no, that there is not.